Hello everyone, my name is Frantz and I'm from the AMPATH Web Interface Senior Project Team. In this video I'm going to highlight some of the shortcomings of the current software and the missing features that we weren't able to implement in this semester but hopefully can be implemented in subsequent semesters. So first off, I'm going to talk about some of the missing features from the front end. So a ReactJS implementation. We weren't able to modify the existing front-end application into a ReactJS implementation. There are several reasons why the ReactJS implementation would be beneficial for the system. First reason is a decoupling of the existing front-end portion of the code to the back end, as well as creating a front end that is capable of communicating through to the back end through JSON data. So I'm going to move on to the back end missing features. REST API implementation. The REST API implementation can be done using the Django REST framework. We weren't able to complete this, but some of the reasons why this would also be beneficial is essentially it supports the scalability of the current system, as well as extending the application to different types of devices, so such as mobile or native desktop. A methodology to organize and distribute data. In order to implement this, we could have looked at the way that the methodology that Django uses to perform this task to administer its users and their permissions. Another way to implement this would be trying to extend upon the new ways to organize and distribute the data that Django uses. Caching model to enhance application performance. Using a caching model to enhance the performance is beneficial because it cuts the overhead of rendering templates on the server. In order to do this, you could use Memcache or Redis to create a more robust caching system. So moving on to the missing features for testing. CI/CD pipeline to control deployment. So in order to do this, you could create pipelines that run in GitLab, for example, that can control how the application is deployed when new code is pushed and once that code passes all the tests. And lastly, applying security principles to CI/CD queue. This could be finding methodologies that can make the CI/CD pipeline more secure. Okay, so that's going to be the end of my video. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave a comment down in the description, and have a great one.